Good evening to all. Welcome to the today online class. Okay, in the last class we are doing on design of sewers, right? The problems on different conditions of flow and full flow, and even how to determine the velocity with using different equations. Okay, now today what I want to do is I was left some portion, okay, which is concerned to your first module. Okay, now in first module, see, observe here the sewer appurtenances. Sewer appurtenances means what? They are the structural components along the pipeline before reaching to the sewage treatment plant. This will appears. Okay, see, usually any turning point of the pipeline, the pipeline starts from your house or a community, and then straight, it is not going very straight. See, whenever there is a turning point, because the roads are parallel, turnings are so many. See, we have to construct some of the what you call structures. Those structures are called appurtenances. Okay, see, now the we are going to study the remaining portion under sewer appurtenances. Okay, now last class, that means in the previous, in module number 1, this is module number 1. Okay, under this these are all covered, and here manuals and the types we came to know, and then catch basins, oil and grease traps are studied. Now the remaining portion here, see, this is nothing but materials of sewers. This one is materials of sewers and shapes of sewers. So next, laying of sewers, then testing of sewers, then ventilation of sewers, and then basic principles of house drainage system. Today, this is totally, it is a theoretical part. It is very easy. Only thing is you have to remember or by heart the things and write down those line diagrams, see, with respect to the type of sewers. Okay, now let us start with one by one. I am going to show the actual syllabus in your, as per the VTU. So, okay, that syllabus, you see this. Okay, the same thing they are given in a systematic way. See, observe here, you keep your mobile horizontally to see the things. This is model number 1. Okay, this one is 1 minute. See, this is model number 1. Under this, see, these are the traps. Observe here, manholes, catch basins, oil and grease traps. This is sewer appurtenances, second part of the model number 1. Okay, see here, what I was stopped at that time on that day. See, the P, Q and S traps, and with their shapes also we are studied. Now here, the materials of sewers. This is remaining actually. Materials means type of sewers. What type of materials you are going to use, whether it is concrete pipe or cast iron pipes or PVC pipes or what you call stoneware pipes. Like this, we are having many types of what you call the sewers. They are called materials of sewer. ಸಿ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವೊಂದು ಶರ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ, ಆ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವುದು, ಕಾಟನ್ನು, ಟೆರಿಕಾಟು, ಉಲ್ಲನ್ನು, ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈವನ್ ವುಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, whether teak wood, rose wood or jungle wood or which type of wood it is. Like this, the material, what is the type of material, okay, used to make the sewers. It is very easy, only the materials. Okay, then shape of, this is number 2. This is, I have given the numbers 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally I have made into 6 parts. Okay, here the shape of sewers. See, observe here, shape of sewers. Okay, you are having already this complete syllabus, VTU syllabus. Just download and take a screenshot of that one and keep it with you. The syllabus means what? We have to cover each and every one. See, for any subject, always keep it with you, the syllabus, and along with your notes, what are the portions covered. That is why entire syllabus I am making into parts, 10 parts, because 10 hours, total number of hours, 50 hours I have to cover. So that 5 module into, that is a 10, that is 5 into 10, 50 hours. Like this I am planned to do the things. Okay, now this is what you call shapes of sewers. Next, number 3 is laying. This is called laying. Laying means how to lay ಬಿಲೋ ದಿ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ದ ಸೀವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ನ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ವೆ ವರ್ಕ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಥಿಯರಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3. Next, fourth one is testing of sewers. After laying is over, because excavation and then what you call closing the soil and etc. That means putting the soil and filling the soil again, the same soil and laying, everything is over. And then how to test the sewers, whether it is functioning or not as per the designed slope. So okay, this is very very important. Next, afterwards, this is a fifth one. It is a ventilation. What is ventilation of sewers? Because the smell which is producing inside, the sewage is having its own bad smell. Okay, the smell is called odor. See, to exhaust, ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಿಚನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟ್. ಕಿಚನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಪೈಸಿ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದರದ್ದು ಘಾಟು ವಾಸನೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಘಾಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಸಾಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ಒಗ್ಗರಣೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನೋ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇವಾಪರೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಪಿಲ್ಲೇಜ್, ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆಂಟಿಲೇಷನ್. ದ ಸಿವರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಟೈಲ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಟೈಲ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಟಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರೀಚಸ್ ಟು ದ ಸಿವೇಜ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. ಸಿ, ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್. ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ದ ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ನಾವು, ವೆಂಟಿಲೇಷನ್ ಪೈಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ವೆಂಟಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದ ಮೈನ್ ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ವೆಂಟಿಲೇಷನ್ ಪೈಪ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಏರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟೆಡ್. ಏರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ 2 ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಿವೇಜ್. ಸಿವೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್. ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಬಲ್. ನೀವು ಏನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಫುಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್. ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟಬಲ್. ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟಬಲ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಸಿ, ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿ ಫುಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪರ್ ದಿ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ one hungry means morning tiffin to afternoon lunch, or lunch to evening snacks, or afterwards evening that is a night dinner. We are having a different 3 hours gap. The minimum of 3 hours, the digestion period in our body, it is a digestion period of minimum of 3 hours, 3 to 5 hours. If you consume